And then today I'm going to teach you how to operate in the pattern mode. As you can see, the system divided 3 modes. The first is design mode, the second is pattern mode, and the third mode is mark mode. The design mode for designing the pattern, so you can draw the line. And the pattern mode, you can edit the pattern. Here, those are patterns, the information on the patterns. Fabric, the green line, the quality, the style name, and the mark mode for marking. And here, now, the first is how to add a hole. Select an inner point. As you can see, we find a pattern here. If you want pattern, click the pattern mode, and there is a smart pen. There's pen moving with your mouse. In the design mode, you can see our pen. This is smart pen. The pen is purple, and we go to the pattern mode. Now the smart pen is yellow. The color is yellow, and then we click the pattern mode and press the left button of the mouse to select the pattern. When you selected the pattern and relieve, as you can see, the pattern will move the smart pen, and click the left button. The pattern of the sleeve will be put here. And first, select the inner point, right? We click the point on the inner this pattern. We click the point, click with the left button. Just click with the left button. Here you can see a hole is made. Here, this is the dialog of making hole. Here you can enter the data to change the size of the hole, or you can just change the different type of the hole here. You can also change the size of different type of the hole here. And now it's the hole setting. If there is no inner point, you can add an inner point. Back to the design mode and put the smart pen on this point and keep pressing the left button and moving. Now our inner point is made. Here you can input the data to determine the position of the point. Here and here, see this purple point is the reference point. This red point is the point I made. Here, the 3 is the vertical distance, the red point from the purple point, and the 4 is at the red point from the purple point, the horizontal distance of the red point from purple point, and 4 is the vertical distance of the red point to the purple point. As you can see, here is 3. So I made a inner point on the pattern, and we back to the pattern mode and just click the point. Now the hole is made, and right click to finish it. When we go to the mark and we select this sleeve, we can see the hole is right here. So when you export to the printing machine or cutting machine, this hole will be printed or cutted. And we click this one to back to the pattern design mode. And this is the operation of how to make hole, how to determine the hole positions. And those we finished. And next, how to add a notches. Select a point on the edge. Here, this is edge. This is the same line. Here, this is the same. As you can see, the green is the same line. The blue line is edge. If you want to add a notch, put the smart pen on the blue line and click the left button. Oh, sorry. You want here, as we can see, select a point on the edge. The green line is the same line. If you want to add a notch on the edge on the blue line, if there is a point, firstly, let me delete the point, add a point. If you want to add a notch on the point, just back to the pattern mode and click the point. Pattern mode, put the arrow on the point and click the left button. Now the notch is added successfully, and right click to finish. Let me try again. The smart pen on the point. You have to know that in the pattern mode, you have to back to the pattern mode and put the smart pen, put the arrow on the point and click the left button. And now a notch is made. Here you can adjust the distance of the notch. As you can see, it's a single notch and a double notch. If you click the single notch to the double notch, here the distance is between the two notches. As you can see here, the two. If you only want a single notch, click the single. So the distance is not working anymore. If you click the double notch, you can change the direction, goes or anti-clock. And also you can change the type of the notch. And you can see there are different types. You can change the types of the notch. Here you can change the notch of the length or width. It's very flexible. This is the operation of add notch on the point. If you want to add a notch on the line, back into the pattern mode and right-click on the edge or right-click on the blue line. As you can see here, the purple point is the distance. You can set the distance here in the dialog. And here you can also enter the difference. You can change the reference point by another, or by near, or by score, or by specification. Here is the distance of the double notch. Here is you can change the single notch, or you can change the notch to the single notch or double notch, clock or anti-clock. You can set it here. And also you can set the type and length, as I did those notches, and right click to finish. So if you want add notches on the point, click the pattern mode, click left button on the point. If you want to add the notches on the line, right click on the point and to determine distance of the notch, and set the notch in the dialog and right click. Now the notch setting is finished. If you want to delete the notch, back to the pattern mode, and when you put the smart pen on the notch, as you can see here, when you identify the notch and click the left button, and a dialog warning will comes out, you can delete the notch. Just click the left button to delete the notch. Or if you want to delete the point, click the delete tool and click the point and choose to delete. So where the notch will be both deleted. And if you want to adjust the direction of the notch, as you can see, press the Control on the keyboard and left click on the notch. Back and put the smart pen on the point and press Control and click the left button. Now an error comes out, and we can move the mouse to determine the direction of the notch and click the left button. Now we can see the direction of the notch is changed. So the direction of the notches is changed successfully. Then we put the smart pen on the notches in the pattern mode and click the Control key on the keyboard and press the left key and move the direction and click the left button again. Now the direction is made. So the notch operation is finished. Well, as you can see, here is the back pattern. I want the back pattern fold. If I make a pattern of the back structure line to the structure line, right click and pattern make slight inner line, right click. Now here we can edit the same line. We can edit the same line too. And here is the back pattern, back, and we choose fabric A, and click it and setting the green line to the vertical and click. Now the back pattern is made. I want this pattern fold. So go back to the pattern mode and click the edge, click the blue line. Here a dialog comes out. Here is a dialog of setting the seam line. This start and the end. The start, as we can see, if we change, it's the equal seam line. It's no seam line. As you can see, if I click the seam, the end become the green data. We cannot be set it. We can set it to the 1 centimeters. As you can see, here is the same line we set it. We back to 0.5. If we change to the no seam, the start and the end is not the same. If we change the data here, as you can see, 1 centimeters. So this is the start. Here, if I change it to 1, as you can see, the same line data will change. Here you can change the data as you want to set equal or not equal. And we click it again. Click this to select and click the ref. A dialog comes out for setting the ref. And here is auto. This, as we can see, back to the seam again. And there 1 centimeters. So this is the start point. And back to the ref. So we can see this is the start point. If we click the start, So here we'll make a notch automatically. So this is the explanation of auto notch. If you click the start point will make a notch automatically. If you click the end point will add a notch automatically and click OK. Here a notch is made. Here a notch was also made. We can set it again. And we click the start and do not click the end. We click OK. As you can see, the start point, the notch is automatic added. But the end point, no notches. And we set it again. The length of the here you can set the length and the width of the notch line or not. If you choose the inner line, when you click OK, you see this is the inner line. The green line is the inner line. We back to the again. Click the ref. If we do not click the add inner line and click OK, and right click, as you can see, this is a red line. The red line cannot be point, cannot be point. We do it again. Click the left button and click the ref. Click the add inner line, and here you can set the green line and click OK. Now the pattern is fold, and right click. This again. If you want to add the same line, if you click it to 1 cm and click the other line, automatically changed. When this dialog is here, we try it again. Click the other with left button. You can see all the edges changed according to my setting. A right click to finish. If you want to change the direction of the green line, click the pattern mode. And when your smart pen move to the black area, you can see there is a yellow pen, right? If you move the smart pen to the pattern, the smart pen become a arrow behind a pattern. And when you move the arrow to the top of the green line, the arrow behind is another arrow, and we click the left button of the mouse. Now the green line direction is free. You can adjust the direction of the green line. Here, the green word, the green data, the green word is the angle. After you finished the direction, the setting of the direction, click the left button. Now the direction of the green line is made. If you put the arrow to the middle of the green line and click the left button, the green line will following your mouse to move its position. And click the left button. Now the green line is here right now. And if you want to make the green line smaller, put the arrow to the top of the green line and click the left button. And to make position, to move its position, and click the left button. As you can see, the green line, and to move the position. Now the green line is finished. And click in the pattern mode, click the pattern with the left button twice. And here you can also set in the green line type and the green line direction, and you can set the size of the word and make the word bigger and click OK. As you can see, the word is bigger than before. Line setting. And then we can see here, if you want to the toggle folding, to add the notch. As we can see here in the pattern mode, this is the original pattern. This part we folded. The notch can be only added on the original pattern. Click the pattern mode, right click on the line to add a notch. As we can see, this side and this side, the notch all be added. And right click. If we want this side have notches, but this side we do not want a notch. Here we can see we can press the shift and left click the notch. Press the shift in the pattern mode and click the left button. And you can see this side the notch is disappear. And we try again. Press the shift and click the left button on this notch. Here the notch is disappear and the notch appear here. We try again. Press the shift and click the left button and it back again. This is the tour of the notch in the fold pattern. If you want to modify the notch parameter, press the shift and right click on the notch. Press shift and right click on the notch. The dialog of the setting notch will come out again, and here you can set the notch setting, like the distance you can determine, and the type of the notch and other things, right click again. This is the notch setting.